Protect yourself against infectious diseases like coronavirus and lifestyle diseases like high blood pressure using ultra-modern medical equipment such as face masks, N95 and triple face masks. Medical coverall suits and face shield masks prevents your body from getting in contact with a virus or bacteria. Often check your body temperature using infrared thermometer. Check your blood pressure using automatic blood pressure machines. This message is brought to you by Leviton Investments Limited, importers and distributors of high-quality medical equipment, located at Arowa Park Plaza, shop number 619 and 620 Bench, Wanoka Street. Leviton, caring for your health.
Before used to be like any other industry that has not implemented energy management techniques. You go to the factory, you find it's iron sheets. It's a factory that is running, power is running full time, 24/7. It's a production industry. We had an option of saving on lighting. Saving on lighting during the day, of course. So we undertook an exercise and an option of replacing the iron sheets with translucent sheets. So the translucent sheets bring us light during the day, so we are able to save on lighting in the day. We undertook an exercise of using energy-saving fluorescent tubes. We are now even to the extent of using red fluorescent tubes. All that is geared towards energy saving. 1 year we did an assessment, I think this was last year, where we found we had saved 123 million in energy options alone. Energy options is not all about lights. We also have motor, we have machinery that is consuming the power. But now, with cleaner production, then we would go and study our motors. Study our motors. There are 5.7 motors and 3.7 motors, which can do the same kind of work. So 5.7 kilowatt per hour and 3.7 kilowatt per hour, that is a difference of 2 kilowatts each hour. So if you take a motor is running for about 16 hours in the withering section here, 16 hours times 2 kilowatts times around 80 motors that are running in the withering section. That is too much energy. So we went into that analysis, made an analysis, and we have started phasing out the 5.7 motors one by one. And I think now we are left with about 37 motors that are 5.7. So the rest are now 3.7. And so that is a saving every day and every month and every year. So at the end of the day, we quantify at the end of the year, what have we achieved? We wanted to achieve 1.7 kilograms of med-T per kilowatt hour. So 1.47, yeah? And so last year we were able to achieve 1.4. And so 1.4 became our baseline. We have now said our baseline was 1.4, and now our target still remains 1.47, and we think we are going to achieve this.